Time to spice this rear end up with the new Tech4tourers Ranger taillights. First, remove the 2 screws holding the taillight in using a T25 Torx bit. Locate your taillight plug and then unclip from your car harness. Now pull the old boring-looking taillight straight back to remove your factory light. Unwrap your new sexy-looking taillights and transfer the 2 plastic thread inserts from the old lights to your new ones. Now you're ready to pop these new babies back on. Oh, damn, how good do these look. Hop back under your rig and plug the new light straight into your factory wiring harness and screw the 2T5 screw back into your taillight to secure it in place. Now you can sit back and admire your spicy rear end.